If your ProForm Treadmill Bluetooth is not connecting, don't worry, because this guide will help. Today, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth on your ProForm Treadmill step by step. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe for more simple fitness tech tutorials. First, make sure your ProForm Treadmill is fully powered on and ready to use. Stand near the treadmill because Bluetooth connections work better at close range usually. Now press the Bluetooth button or open the Bluetooth settings on the treadmill display. Most ProForm treadmills will show a pairing screen once Bluetooth mode becomes active. Next, grab your iPhone or Android mobile phone and unlock the device completely. Open the Bluetooth settings menu from your smartphone settings application carefully. Turn on Bluetooth if it is currently disabled on your mobile phone device. Wait a few seconds while your phone searches for nearby Bluetooth devices automatically. You should now see the ProForm Treadmill name appear inside the Bluetooth device list. Tap the treadmill device name carefully to start the Bluetooth pairing process instantly. Some devices may ask for confirmation before connecting through Bluetooth successfully. The treadmill screen may display a pairing message while the connection is processing. Give the connection a few moments because some treadmills take extra time to pair. Once connected, you should see a Bluetooth connected message on the treadmill display. Your wireless headphones or smartphone audio should now work with the treadmill correctly. Open your favorite music app and test the audio connection through the treadmill system. If music plays properly, your Bluetooth setup is now working successfully without issues. You can now enjoy workouts while listening to music, podcasts, or training videos wirelessly. Some ProForm treadmill models also allow volume control directly from the treadmill console. If Bluetooth still does not connect, try disconnecting and reconnecting the device again. Restarting the treadmill can also fix temporary Bluetooth pairing problems very quickly sometimes. You should also restart your smartphone before trying the Bluetooth connection process again. After restarting, return to Bluetooth settings and search for the treadmill once more. Tap the treadmill device again and allow the pairing request to finish completely. Most Bluetooth connection problems are solved after reconnecting both devices properly like this. Now your treadmill and smartphone should stay connected smoothly during future workout sessions. And that's how to connect Bluetooth on a ProForm treadmill easily at home today.